Yes guys, welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today we're gonna do a little review on them fried chicken here from Beer Nyamins in a Copperhood, Lucea, Hanover, yeah, Jamaica. Real deal. I've for the past couple of days, this is where we've been going for lunch. So trust me, that should tell you the rest of the story. But with that being said, guys, we're gonna try out the fresh veg. I'm making know what going. Yummy. Nice and fresh, guys. Freshly made from scratch. So the shredded carrot and cabbage, I'm gonna give that 10 out of 10. Yes, may I say? It's that good. And they also shredded some cucumber on the inside, same way. Rice and peas. I'm making know what's going with the rice and peas right about now. I'm gonna take a couple more, bite of it and then making know what's going. Rice and peas, guys. There's nothing bad to say about it. It's 10 out of 10. So, with that being said, we're gonna move on to the fried chicken. We're not wasting no time today. We're not doing a long video. Straight to the point. Wow. This is so good, guys. No. I'm gonna rate the chicken, the fried chicken, on a scale of 1 to 10, based on the flavor and based on the crispiness. Alright? So, based on the crispiness, guys, I'm gonna say about a 9 out of 10. And I think I would have given them a 10 out of 10 if they didn't add the little sauce on top. But besides that, I would say a 10 out of 10 besides that. But I'm gonna go with 9 based on the little gravy what they add on it. But when it comes to flavor, 10 times 10 times 10 out of 10. Trust me. The fried chicken. Oh, by the way, guys, I didn't even get a chance to do a review on their conch. They had brown stew conch and also curry conch. I had the curry conch yesterday for dinner with some fried chicken, and the day before that I had the brown stew conch. Yes, me I say, and that for sure you say them food good. Cause if I keep going back day after day after day, they must be doing something right, guys. Trust me, the food is definitely on point. You need to check them out. They're located in a Copperhood, Hanover. If you're from the Hanover area, Lucea area, you'll know where Copperhood is. And the name of the restaurant is Beer Nyamins. May I tell you, them food wicked. If you're in the area, guys, check them out. You won't be disappointed. All right. So until next time, big up on yourself. Peace.